What if I told you that you could be the kindest person in the room and still end up being the villain in someone else's story? Sounds unfair, right? But here's the part nobody warns us about. Hello and welcome to the 7th episode of Random Thoughts That Changed My Life. हम सब ने सुना तो है ही कि हम सब अपनी स्टोरी के हीरो होते हैं, बट कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको हर किसी की लाइफ का मेन कैरेक्टर बनना होता है और वो भूल जाते हैं हर इंसान अपनी लाइफ का मेन कैरेक्टर है और बनना चाहता है. There comes a point in your life when you look around and realize there is someone in your life that is telling a version of you that doesn't even exist. Someone is painting out you as the toxic one, you as the one who changed. Someone is living the story and you are the bad chapter. So, why does it happen? The moment you stop becoming useful to them, you are suddenly the problem. You stop carrying someone else's baggage, their emotional baggage, or maybe you stop tolerating the disrespect that you were tolerating just because you didn't want to hurt them, or you stayed quiet just to maintain the peace. I know, I did. Because in my relationships, I have given more than I should have, and I stayed longer than I should have. And also in my friendships, where they wanted me to shrink to fit into their level and to be okay with whatever emotional baggages they dumped me on, their emotional baggages and their emotional mess. And I wasn't okay with that. And when you get tired of the bullshits, of the lies, and of the toxicity that people gave you, and suddenly you are the toxic one just because you didn't tolerate their shit. You were not okay being controlled by them. मैं सच में बताऊं तो मैं अपनी लाइफ की इतनी ज़्यादा मेन कैरेक्टर नहीं बन पाई जितना मैं दूसरों की लाइफ में विलन बन चुकी हूँ. Like really. Just because I walk away from toxicity, I walk away when I am disrespected. When I feel like there is a slightest of the slight disrespect that is going to happen or that happens to me, I just एक स्विच ऑफ हो जाता है मेरे अंदर का और मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अब यहाँ पे नहीं रहना. दिस इज़ नॉट वर्थ माई टाइम, वर्थ माई एनर्जी, एंड आई फील लाइक कटिंग ऑफ इंस्टेंटली. एंड इफ दैट इज बीइंग टॉक्सिक, आई एम टॉक्सिक एंड आई एम ओके being the villain of your story, dear. And the problem with people is na, they will never accept कि whatever they are doing wrong to you, they will never accept that they are forcing you to tolerate something which you are not okay with, and they will paint it as ki you have to tolerate it. Obviously indirectly they will say you have to tolerate it just because we are friends, for so long, just because we are in a relationship, things like that. They would keep that ship, friendship, relationship, everything as a bait to just get you do things that you don't want to do just in the name of that ship. I am the one जिसको निभाना नहीं आता. लोग ये नहीं देखेंगे वो आपके साथ क्या कर रहे हैं, लोग ये देखेंगे कि आप उनके साथ क्या कर रहे हो, आप क्यों नहीं निभा रहे, आप उनकी डिसरिस्पेक्ट क्यों नहीं बर्दाश्त कर रहे. भाई मैं क्यों करूँ बर्दाश्त, मेरी अपनी खुद की लाइफ है, मैं अपनी लाइफ का मेन कैरेक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ और मैं अपनी स्क्रिप्ट खुद लिखूँगी, मैं अपने लोग खुद चुनूँगी, और अगर मेरी लाइफ में कोई ऐसी ड्रेनिंग एनर्जी है तो मैं क्यों उसके साथ रहना चाहूँगी. एंड सडनली आई एम द वन हु चेंज्ड. And if you are someone who doesn't tell your side of the story, you never get to defend yourself. You will always be the one who has done wrong. They will create a delusional story in which they are the victim and you have wronged them. And not only create that delusional story, they'll make everybody around them believe that that delusional story is true. And you watch quietly the stories that you hear, that travels through screenshots, through people, through mutuals, and you are like, this is not what happened, buddy. No, not at all. This is not what happened. You don't get to become the hero of my story, buddy. You can tell hundreds of people that I wronged you, but you cannot force me to believe your delusional story. No matter what you do, no matter how much you try to tell your part of the story, no matter how much you try hard, there will be no acceptance from these people. So better idea is to get painted as a villain. Sometimes I feel like, because they are never going to believe that they wronged you. They were the one who forced you to move out of that relationship or friendship that drained you. You got to that level that it got so exhausting and toxic, that you had to take a step back and you had to prioritize your thing over them. And सबसे बड़ा सच पता है क्या है, लोगों को ये बात का बुरा नहीं लगता है that you hurt them. No, you walked away. It's when their ego get bruised that you chose yourself over whatever shitty zone they created for you, because they never want you to grow in your life. They want you to be there, and they want them to indirectly force you to do efforts you don't want to do in the first place. एंड कई बार तुम लोग करते रहते हो जस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू रूइन इतने टाइम का फ्रेंडशिप और इतने टाइम का रिलेशनशिप. तो पीपल टेंड टू take disrespect and everything, bad, and once they get drained, they walk away and they become the villain of everything. They become the bad person because you moved away. कई लोग ना ट्रिगर हो जाते हैं ये सुनने के बाद कि उसने हमें विलन पेंट कर दिया, वो सबको एक स्टोरी बता रहा है कि मैं बुरा इंसान हूँ, मैंने बुरा करा, मैंने ये करा, मैंने वो करा, मैंने किया. Sometimes people get triggered, they get hurt, they feel bad, and which is very genuine to feel, honestly. बट हम भूल जाते हैं कि जो इंसान हमारे साथ ऐसा है वो बाकी लोगों के साथ भी तो वैसा ही होगा. इट इज़ जस्ट अ पैटर्न. हमें लगता है ये सिर्फ हमारे साथ होगा. नो, वेन एवर देर इज गोइंग टू बी समवन एल्स इन देयर लाइफ, like how we have been, they're going to do the same thing, because a person cannot change his patterns. A person is toxic or a narcissist, he's never going to change the patterns, he's just going to change his victims. So it's better that they paint you as a villain in their story rather than you tolerating their shit just because you don't want to be a bad person in anyone's story. Sometimes it is better to be a bad person in someone else's story, but be a hero in your own.